as HIMARS to Ukraine in an effort to support them during the Russian invasion. Ukrainian Defense Minister Reznikov claimed that the country needed at least 100 of the system, and that by that point, 8 systems had destroyed 30 command stations and ammunition storage facilities, decreasing the intensity of Russian shelling and slowing the advance. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at what makes this rocket system so powerful. Before we look at this, a quick reminder to give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it. But now, back to HIMARS. The High Mobility Advanced Rocket System, better known by its now famous acronym, HIMARS, is a lighter version of the M270 multiple launch rocket system, which is mounted to a 6x6 family of medium tactical vehicle truck chassis. This system uses a wheeled transport vehicle versus the tracked transport system of multiple launch rocket system. The HIMARS carries a single 6-pack of rockets, which weighs approximately 24,000 pounds, compared to the 12 rockets and more than 44,000 pounds of the M270 launcher. The truck can do a top speed of 85 kilometers an hour on the road and measures 5.046 meters in length, 2.16 meters in width, and 2.251 meters in height. A HIMARS section consists of a launcher, 2 resupply vehicles, and 2 resupply trailers. The resupply vehicle is a medium tactical vehicle truck with an onboard high-ab crane and secure radio communications. The resupply trailer is a standard M1095 5-ton trailer. Both the resupply vehicle and resupply trailer can carry 2 rocket or missile launch pods. The clever thing with HIMARS is being able to launch its weapons and move away from the area at high speed before enemy forces are able to locate the launch site, offering multiple launch rocket system firepower on wheeled chassis. The High Mobility Artillery Rocket System is the newest member of the multiple launch rocket system family. HIMARS carries a single 6-pack of rockets, or 1 Army Tactical Missile System missile on the Army's new family of medium tactical vehicles, 5-ton truck, and can launch the entire multiple launch rocket system family of munitions. This new system is operated by a crew of 3, which consists of the driver, gunner, and section chief. But the computer-based fire control system, the HIMARS launcher is lighter in weight compared to the M270 launcher. It weighs approximately 15 tons, compared to 27 tons for the M270. The HIMARS launcher consists of a carrier and extended range rocket, the reduced range practice rocket, and all future variants. It can also fire the extended range guided rocket GMLRS with a range of more than 70 kilometers. The HIMARS is also capable of firing the Army Tactical Missile System with a maximum range of 300 kilometers. The front of the M142 HIMARS is fitted with a fully enclosed and armored cab, which provides protection against small arms firing and artillery shell splinters. The launcher unit is equipped with an onboard land navigation system. This allows the crew to remain within the safety of the armored cabin while accurately monitoring their position. The family of medium tactical vehicles standard cargo truck is motorized with a Caterpillar C7 engine coupled to an automatic Allison 3700 SP transmission with 7-speed. HIMARS can roll on and off a C-130 transport aircraft, and when carried with a combat load, is ready to operate within 15 minutes. Because of the lighter weight of using 1 pod rather than 2, it has a faster time compared to the M270, from the point the fire mission is received to the actual munition firing. Another bonus to its lighter weight is that it can be deployed into areas previously inaccessible to heavier launchers. It also incorporates the self-loading autonomous features that have made the multiple launch rocket system the premier rocket artillery system in the world. The fire control system, electronics, and communications unit are interchangeable with the existing M270A1 launcher. And the crew and training are the same. The rocket system is equipped with a fire control system, which includes video, keyboard control, a gigabyte of program storage, and a global positioning system. The fire control computer allows firing missions to be carried out in automatic or manual mode. In a typical mission, a command and control post would transmit the selected target data via a secure data link to the HIMARS onboard launch computer. The computer then aims the launcher and provides prompt signals to the crew to arm and fire a pre-selected number of rounds. The launcher can aim at a target in just 16 seconds. It is also possible for the crew to select pre-programmed multiple mission sequences, which have been stored in the computer. HIMARS was developed by Lockheed Martin Missiles and Fire Control under an Advanced Concept Technology Demonstration Program placed in 1996. The purpose of HIMARS is to engage and defeat artillery, air defense concentrations, trucks, light armor and personnel carriers, as well as support troop and supply concentrations. Initial operating capability was achieved in 2006, but the system has been operationally deployed since September 2005 in Iraq. The Guided Multiple Launch Rocket System is an international program involving the UK, Italy, France, and Germany, as well as the US. Lockheed Martin has delivered approximately 500 HIMARS launchers to the US Army and its international customers as of October 2018. In March 2019, the company received a $1.14 billion foreign military sales contract to deliver guided multiple launch rocket systems to Poland, Bahrain, and Romania. In July 2019, Lockheed Martin was awarded a $492 million contract by the U.S. Army Contracting Command to deliver M142 HIMARS launchers and associated hardware to the U.S. Army, U.S. Marine Corps, Romania, and Poland by 2022. The supply to Ukraine has been done in batches of 4 in order to allow enough time between batches to train the Ukrainian troops on how to use the platform. Ukraine is also restricted by the U.S. from firing HIMARS rockets into Russian territory to avoid escalating the conflict, but Russian forces within Ukraine are legitimate targets. What the HIMARS has been doing in Ukraine is not focusing on frontline Russian units. Instead, the Ukrainians have been using the long-range artillery weapon system to target the ammunition and logistical depots of the Russian military. In only a few weeks, the Ukrainian troops have used HIMARS to destroy more than 30 such ammunition and logistical depots spread around occupied Ukraine, including the pro-Russian enclaves in the Donetsk and Luhansk territories. This has proved to be costly to the Russian front line and the amount of ammunition they have remaining. They now have to think twice about how many shells they are firing each day. Current operators of the HIMARS now include the United States Army, U.S. Army National Guard, and the U.S. Marine Corps, Romania, Singapore, United Arab Emirates, Jordan, and Ukraine. Future operators include Poland, Australia, Taiwan, and Estonia. There has also been interest from Latvia and Lithuania, Hungary, Qatar, and Sweden as potential operators. What do you think of the mighty power of the HIMARS? Let us know in the comments, and please like this video if you've enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.